Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is study on helical spring. Study on helical spring. First, what is spring? Spring is mechanical device which is mainly used to absorb the shocks and vibrations. Okay, there is a spring having lot of types. One is helical spring, leaf spring, torsional spring, and etc. Today we see about the topic is helical spring. So this is the helical spring. Helical spring is important in our mechanical zone. Okay. So in this helical spring, the major use purpose or uses is the mainly used in the machine's vibrations to absorb the machine's vibrations. For example, you run the lathe or any one machine means easily absorb the vibrations, that is force from the vibrations is obtained by the helical spring. In this helical spring mainly three forces will be applied. One is tensile force, is a pulling force, and second one is compression force, and also both the acting the stress is the shear stress, that is the tensile and compressions. So in this type of spring, this is the coil. This called is the mainly the coil. Okay, this is the initial step. You cut the initial step means that is the inactive coil. So this coil is called as the inactive coil. The remaining coils is the active coils. As usual, same procedure. This coil is the inactive coil, and also the remaining coil is the active coils. So active coil means it is a full cycle, that is the active coil is half circle or 75% circle or 25% circle means that is the inactive coil. So you know two difference, active coils and inactive coils. So the length is also same concept. You measure the active coils only means that is the LG length value, simple. But you measure the active and inactive coil means that is the LF, that is the full length. So in this helical spring, two parameters, one is LF, LG, and also inactive coils, and also the remaining is the active coils. And also it is having three type of forces. One is the tensile force, and second one is the compression force, and third one is the shear stress. Okay. Clear the topic. This is the parameters, and also this is the acting of the stress, because these characterizations, this procedure is mainly involved in our design of machine element subjects. Okay. And then the diameter. Next we see the diameter. So I measure in this helical spring full diameter value means that is the coil diameter. That diameter is the symbol is the capital letter D. I measure only the wire diameter means simply show this is the wire. Okay, the wire diameter means that is a small letter D. So the main topic is the spring index. The spring index is the ratio of the coil diameter to wire diameter. So the wire diameter is the minor dia. It's also simple method, minor dia. The coil diameter is the major dia. Okay, so the coil diameter means the full circle is the coil diameter, but wire diameter means I have taken this type of wire, so only I measured. Okay, that is the wire diameter. So this is a simple concepts. Okay, so wire diameter and also coil diameter, it's the two categories. Okay, and this ratio is the spring index. Another one important, stiffness. Stiffness means I have applied the tensile load or compression load means definitely is spring having some deflections. Deflection means change in length, that is some more length will be increased or decreased from original length. So that is a change in length. For example, the length is 50 mm means I apply the compression force means it's having the 45 mm means the change in length is 50 minus 45, 5 mm. So the change in the length value is the 5 mm. So the stiffness value is the P maximum divided by deflection. So both ratio of the that is the deflection and also load. So this ratio is the mainly called as the stiffness of the spring. So this is the basic parameters of the helical spring. Okay, thank you.